Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Rowenta RH9695 vacuum cleaner. This is a straightforward task that can restore your vacuum's functionality. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's disconnected from any power source. Next, locate the screws holding the trigger assembly in place. You will typically find 2 screws at the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the handle using a flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or the casing. After the handle is opened, you will see the trigger mechanism. Inspect the old trigger for any signs of wear or damage. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. It should fit snugly into place. Remember, if you don't have access to replacement parts, our professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify the exact parts you need. With the new trigger in place, reassemble the handle. Start by ensuring all components fit back into their original positions. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten and damage the plastic. Before finishing up, it's crucial to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help keep your vacuum running smoothly. If you find this task challenging, remember, no calls, no travel, just reach out to us for assistance. After the cleaning process, double-check that everything is securely in place. Plug in your vacuum and test the new trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. If you experience any issues, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Rowenta RH9695 vacuum cleaner. This simple maintenance task can enhance the performance of your appliance significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.